The design revolves around a neutral base with earthy shades, such as beige, gray, warm wood, and white. These colors create a calming and sophisticated ambience. The small window features horizontal wooden blinds for light control and privacy. Sustainable choice: bamboo or recycled wood blinds. Soft warm white light, 2700K to 3000K, creates a cozy ambient glow. Reduces reliance on overhead lighting, making it energy efficient. Incorporate LED lighting as seen in the modern track lights and concealed linear lights. Use large windows with adjustable blinds to maximize natural daylight and reduce electricity consumption. Thus, the design ensures a warm, inviting, and eco-conscious living space.